Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kumbayah Kombucha at home, easy method. Start by brewing 1 quart of strong sweet tea, cool it to room temperature, then add a healthy SCOBY and 2 tablespoons of starter liquid to begin fermentation in a glass jar with a breathable cover. Keep it at a stable warm spot. Check for taste after 5 to 7 days and move to secondary flavoring when desired. After fermentation begins, taste daily starting day 5 to assess sweetness and acidity, record flavor notes, and avoid metal contact which can harm the SCOBY. When the kombucha reaches a pleasing balance, reserve 10% as starter for the next batch, strain and bottle the rest for secondary fermentation with fruit or herbs, store bottles at room temperature for 2 to 4 days to carbonate, then refrigerate immediately. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support more easy homebrew guides. On another note, the book shown here, Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, offers practical perspective that pairs humorously with saving on store kombucha. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For flavorful kombucha, use herbs, ginger, citrus peel, or whole fruit in secondary fermentation, and balance sweetness with tartness to taste. Keep all equipment clean with mild sanitizer, avoid scented soaps, and always handle the SCOBY gently with non-metal utensils. If you see mold, discard the batch and SCOBY safely, sanitize your jar, and start fresh using a reliable starter liquid to reduce risk and ensure consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.